I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on what the assistant needs to work. Open the Google app, go to Settings and tap Google Assistant. Make sure you grant microphone and location access so voice features function. Once done, choose your preferred language and enable voice match so the device recognizes you. Then activate Hey Google Hot Word Testing. Say the phrase a few times to train recognition. This gets the core system ready quickly and explains why each permission matters for hands-free responses. Next, you refine how the assistant behaves and integrates with apps. Open Assistant settings to pick its voice, tweak hot word sensitivity if false triggers happen, and enable lock screen access so you can use it without unlocking. Then configure routines for morning or commute tasks and assign app defaults for music or navigation. This saves steps later. Make shortcuts for frequent commands and link calendars and smart devices. These configurations change responses from generic to tailored. Finally, you validate and maintain the setup by testing practical commands. Call a contact, send a message, navigate home, and control a light. Make sure contextual follow-ups work. Ask a question, then a related follow-up to confirm context retention. Review privacy settings and clear old voice recordings if you want. If the assistant won't respond, check the microphone permission, update or reinstall the Google app, clear its cache, and reboot your phone. This troubleshooting step resolves most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.